Young gun, the one that been calling me splurge. Drop me jump right off the curb. Bentley sprint fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the foreign, I swear. Keep me a stick if they purge. Young gun, the one that they working my nerves. I'm about to pull some surge. Fucking this bitch like a perm. Smack from the back of a perm.
Oh, that shit's not off, bro.
The bird. Shitting on all you little turds. Can't take that dick, wait your turn. In my own lane, we can't merge. So with no hands, you can learn. Let's see how much you can earn. Why me go big like the worm? And I ain't smoking no shirt. I'm in the beat with P-Litty. QP. I love my bitches, it's pretty. They showing their titties is up to the ceiling. I let her run through a million. I rock with her really, let's fuck on a billion.
Fuck going on YouTube? It's your motherfucking boy, Simple. And we're back with another fucking video. Y'all see the title, y'all see the motherfucking thumbnail. Yes, y'all, you feel me? And you feel me? Niggas getting right, niggas gotta fucking, you feel me? Niggas looking different, you feel me? Been a minute, but yes, bro, we back with another fucking video. Y'all seen the last video, that little parking chill shit. You feel me? A little smooth shit. We finna do like some. I really don't know how many shits we finna go to, but nigga, just know this shit's lit. Y'all seen the intro. Y'all seen the intro, so y'all see what the fuck happening and shit. But niggas is lit right now. You feel me? Them boys right there. Y'all know I always bring out them boys with me. You feel me? My shit need a car wash cause my shit dirty. We really finna go to the car wash right now and shit. But I'll meet y'all boys up when we at the car wash. You did. Y'all see where the fuck we at? Bruh, this nigga just... I don't got no quarters, bruh. Oh, yes, I do.
Yeah, clean that shit, good boy.
Yeah, I have this. You good?
I got me, man. This nigga still only on the ass. He cleaning the ass with his ass out.
Man, shut your bitch ass up.
I'll never put this brush on my paint. I'll never put this brush on my paint. Yeah. Oh, you got 2 minutes. Hey, one like and I'll spray his ass.
I'm tired, bruh.
One like and I'll spray his ass. One like and I'll spray his ass. One like and I'll spray his ass.
2 hours later.
I just looked at this shit, bruh. Them weak ass scrubs did not even scrub shit, man. I'm never listening to Cash, bruh. Like, what the fuck? Bro. Never listen to a nigga named Cash, bro. That nigga just straight cash. Just made me waste $4 for that weak ass, bitch ass nigga, bro. But I'm gonna y'all boys up when we at QT.
Goddamn, this was hard. Somebody bought it, I couldn't even think. You look nigga bleed, I seen him got it. My nigga on the ring, my nigga on the seat, my nigga in the CPU, BTV. $100 with the BTV. Look at the ID, BVV. I ain't a regular dealer with the problem, nigga. I still gon' rob on God, man. Y'all niggas still go hard on black.
Nah, them boys out. Niggas, everybody, goddamn. Damn, now that goal go instant. Niggas posted over there too. But niggas just posted though. Niggas pulling up, niggas pulling up. Okay. But niggas gotta put on some gas.
You must have got like 12. Let me get my camera.
It's over there.
That gotta be a swap.
Yeah, bro, you try to let my shit out. No, I. What the fuck? Nah, these niggas true. Nah, these niggas come in trim. Nah, this shit come. What color?
I'm not telling y'all, y'all gotta wait till it pop out, bro.
One of those. Hand like this, bro.
Niggas still eating cheeseburger. He's 21. God. Nah, why his shit sound hard though? Okay. Nah, that shit sound nasty. That shit sound nasty. Y'all see the tires. Nah, that shit hard as shit. Nah, that shit's in the back, bruh. What the fuck? What the fuck? Y'all nigga got his gas pump in the back. That shit sound nasty though. Yeah. Nah, that shit hard as shit. That shit sound nasty. Oh, come with that 4G, you feel me? Yo. Nah, but niggas finna pop out. I'm gonna put out the camera when niggas is rolling out, you feel me? Niggas about to leave. Y'all see what the fuck going on. Niggas in that bitch. You see who's with me? My boys with me. All the time. Nah, this shit lit. Oh shit. Nah, this shit lit. Niggas is outside, bro. Nah, this shit. Uh-oh, niggas getting in the highway and shit. Niggas getting in the highway and shit. Come on, E. Come on, E. Go, E.
Pop me a perk, now I want me another one. I spent it free and I'm on to the other one. Father on me, I ain't starting no robbery. We getting rich, still be around potting on back home. Hit the lottery, we in that fast truck. They can't follow me. If I heard it for, why the fuck do you follow me? Eat it, go crazy and swallow me. Coming all the way from the squad, bitch. I know I ain't none, my daddy won't shit. I dropped out of school and picked up a bleed. Ooh, I got that flow like Rick. Red this stuff, we ain't stuck no shit. Nah though, I want to smoke like weed. Before hopping in, we been trying to peel them. Pit bird on the definition of a stealer. Boy, you's a bitch, why you act like a killer? She was the one now.
3, 2, 1.
Got a blast.
From the squad, bitch. I know I ain't none, my daddy won't shit. I dropped out of school and picked up a bleed. Ooh, I got that flow like Rick. Red this stuff, we ain't stuck no shit. Nah though, I want to smoke like weed. Before hopping in, we been trying to peel them. Pit bird on the definition of a stealer. Boy, you's a bitch, why you act like a killer? She was the one, I don't even feel her. Been standing there trying to run up a million. All got shot and it smoked in the feeling. I bet he get rolled, he just like a hitter. Treat him like a dog, even though he a billion. Her got a drop on me, can't cut out that box, he ain't got no key. Damn, now he a bitch on me. I still got rats, no PPP. Long, shoot him on CTV. 45 knew he on the TV. That go a lick I see. Ain't nobody there, we ain't stand in the ring. You scared? Pop me a perk, now I want me another one. I spent it free and I'm on to the other one. Father on me, I ain't stand no robbery. We getting rats, still be around potting on back home. Hit the lottery, we in that fast truck. They can't follow me. If I heard it for, why the fuck do you follow me? Eat it up and go crazy and swallow me. Coming all the way from the squad, bitch. I know I ain't none, my daddy won't shit. I dropped out of school and picked up a bleed. Ooh, I got that flow like Rick. Red this stuff, we ain't stuck no shit. Nah though, I want to smoke like weed. Before hopping need, we been trying to peel him. Pittsburgh on the definition of a stealer. Boy, you's a bitch, why you act like a killer? She was the one, I don't even feel her. Been standing there trying to run up a million. All got shot, then smoked in the field. I bet he get rolled, he just like a Hitler. Treat him like a dog, even though he a Billy. Heard he got a drop on me, can't cut out that box, he ain't got no key. Damn.
Oh, that blue Charlie just wild. Oh shit, Josh, get on his ass then.
I'm with you.
Certified. All these niggas, bro. Nah, do your homework. Yo. Do your homework on me leaving this nigga.
No, nigga, civilian almost hit me, bro. Damn, bro.
You dead ass?
Dead ass?
You pulled over.
Yeah, nigga. I had to make sure you hit my car, nigga.
Oh, tight.
Do me a favor. Shut the fuck up.
Who?
12, nigga.
Nah, I ain't get my vid. Hold on. That shit hard. You swimming? Straight out.
This shit right here.
Oh shit. These niggas lit back here. Oh god. Look at the dog. That look like love. Nah, these niggas got the boys outside though. Nah, that gotta be the hardest to fuse.
The Bears just traded Justin Fields to the Steelers, bro.
Fuck the Bears.
Fuck that shit. Hey, bro, I don't know if I want that or Z01, bro. Z06, Z01, which one?
Nigga, Z01, bro. That you been wanting that shit though, gang. That rap part. My bad, gang. What the fuck? Look at the whole shit. Oh shit. Nah, gang. Nah. You can't play with this nigga.
You put some cheese in this bitch.
Nigga, what? Nah, that shit hard as shit. Ciao.
Nigga, look at the tint on this bitch. Like, what?
This shit is crazy. Nah, the steering wheel goes super.
Go tap. The steering wheel do go. Oh my god.
You drop your shit, gang.
Bro, he got my.
I thought he dropped his little seed.
Oh, look out, too, though, bro.
Nah, I ain't got that's OD, bro. Like, what's the point of that?
Hey, I'm adding that shit.
I ain't even peep that.
He got lights right here, too, though, bro. I need to peep this. Oh, he got him on the doors, too. Good job. That nigga.
I'm trying to work with this nigga.
That nigga got a super duper battery.
Nigga, what the fuck? You heard that shit?
Oh, shit. Oh my goodness. This bitch good. And this motherfucker talking.
Oh, this shit's in the front.
He don't know how to swing that bitch.
Ooh, that shit is clean. What type of rap is this?
This is fucking.
Yo, why am I Lightning McQueen keep talking to us?
I'm good.
before I could chow that ass.
Oh, hey, yo.
Yeah, you.
Hey, yo.
Nah.
Let's go with him. Hey, yo.
Hell no. That's my
I'm not
intro.
cutting that out, man.
Nah, this shit hard as shit.
He got double custom like.
He got some shit,
He even got this. He even got the strike card.
Twin, look at this bitch.
Like, what?
Details on this motherfucker so hard, bro.
Oh, this shit half rap, gang.
Yeah, that's why I say you got half shit. But
Half
look at this
shit.
shit. What the fuck y'all say?
Yo,
I don't know.
You know the nigga that own this bitch rapping himself. Like, come on, bro.
Hey, twin.
Nigga, you wrapped the wheels.
What you mean?
You wrapped the
Shit. Nah.
Yeah.
Where y'all parking?
Right here. Yeah.
Man, this shit crazy.
Where you was?
I don't.
He said fuck that shit like I would have said.
You would have said
Hey,
fuck that
hey.
shit?
Oh, yeah, I'm not cutting
I
no
ain't gonna
topics like that with him.
Me and the SS was
What?
kind of. If you was a real car nigga, you would have
I've been through that shit. I knew it before you
been a
did.
Chevy.
Yeah, Chevy crew go crazy though. Oh my god.
That shit.
Where the CTS niggas go? That's what I want to see. It's trim.
Whoa. Yeah, bro. What he waiting on? What you waiting on, gang? What he waiting
Yo,
on?
break.
Come on,
Yo,
bro.
twin break. Oh,
Come on, bro.
nigga still on break. Nigga vibe.
They got that shit.
His crew is going, bro.
Nigga, he's on break.
Hey, twin, look at this vet though. This is so clean.
Oh, yeah,
You put a part right here.
Put the cup on this shit though.
You gotta watch out. You gotta watch out.
With a QT. You think that shit gonna fall? You want to bet? You wouldn't do that?
Nigga, that shit sounds so good.
Hey, that shit sound like my shit, man.
I would get a bit in the arsenal. I ain't gonna lie. I would
It's ZL1, man.
Bro, let him get the, let him go vet. Let him go vet, cause I'm going ZL1. What the fuck? What are you?
The CA really overrated.
Hey, see how quick I'm
Me too.
You're done for, buddy.
Bro.
You're done for, buddy.
Finna get his ass.
You're done for, buddy.
Oh,
Oh,
shit. Finna smack somebody's shit.
he's done for. He's a done.
No.
I bet he ain't gonna run though. He ain't gonna run. He ain't gonna run.
Bro, 12 so lame. I hate that nigga, bro. Talking to a nigga.
That nigga said it, but he still talking to a nigga next to him.
That's RTJ, ain't it?
Hold on.
Nigga, I see this shit in the dealership.
I didn't even see this visual.
No, you didn't. What the fuck? Nah, this nigga's man. Nah, these niggas like the vets pulling in together. Nah, I ain't a cat. Nah.
That should be the look of an SS in the front.
Oh, that
Come
nigga
on,
came
bro.
back. I told you. That
It
nigga
should be
got
the
him
SS in the front.
Yeah, what happened to the SRT? That's the nigga that be at the music.
Nothing's being damn. Nigga radiator.
Fuck out to that nigga.
That's what I just said.
I ain't gonna lie, most
Look,
niggas
look at this
bumps is just
nigga.
proving.
Now he bad.
I'm telling you, bro.
I ain't gonna lie, this.
Yeah, twin throne. Yeah, he don't give no fuck. He gave the wrong
Oh,
nigga.
God. He won 12 to try this.
Oh my fucking.
Niggas
Nah.
track hole. I'm a P.
What the fuck?
No, this ain't no track.
Oh, that's an SRTG.
You heard that shit too, gang?
I almost got the clutch.
I know when they ass in
What the hell was that?
I know
Somebody
somebody
hard
hit
as
some
fuck
shit.
though.
What, these
This
shit?
clean though.
This is cool.
This bitch cool, bro. I like the purple on this bitch, bro.
I can't do that though.
You think these, they own the same, this is the same person? Shit. Makes sense,
Yeah,
right?
it's definitely like correlated type shit. Feel me?
Y'all don't know about nothing about no Supra, bro. Okay. And it got peanut butter. Come on, gang. Nah, I'm owning one of this shit, gang. Real shit. The hardest car in here. Yes, it is, bro.
Hardest car is that cat.
No, hardest car is a CTSV, nigga. Fuck. What's good? What's good? A little. Yeah. Yeah, too, but look at his tag. Nah, what?
How much one of those cameras is?
Yeah,
I
I need to
paid
keep that.
like it was like $4.99 or some shit.
Oh shit, that shit not that bad.
With the setup too?
Nah, with that, I think
It's the
it was like, yeah. I think it came up to like 7 with shipping and everything. Like, so like,
Everything
literally everything, yeah.
That's not that bad, bro. Cause you get so much content with that shit, bro.
Nigga, what?
When I swap my engine, I'm getting one.
On my way here, I was
Oh, that
trying
shit
to
was getting the tweaking.
Get everybody.
because you're supposed to be able to like use the app to wake it up, but it wasn't turning on.
That's
Damn,
why
You gotta
I'm
fix
getting one of that.
shit.
Cause
You
guess
need
what?
that footage.
Guess what? I'm a
Nah, I ain't gonna lie.
shoot fire, bro.
I'm telling you, see.
Tripping TV over here.
Bro, I get that why I said it, bro. Hello, niggas. It's
They
four
got
of these
shit
niggas.
going on later after this.
Shit, I don't know.
I don't
I'm
know.
trying to figure out.
Clayton County do not. Nigga, damn.
Yo, and then niggas over there too.
Nigga, it's 6 police here.
Nigga, this oh, he
Chill,
turned.
bro. Chill, bro.
What's that whole part shit, bro? See, Maryland niggas don't pull up doing all that, right?
We don't
We
never,
don't
bro.
do all that.
Yes,
We
y'all
do down
do,
shit,
bro.
That's about it, bro.
We don't do all that in the parking lots. Yeah,
That rapping shit?
Nah.
we don't do all that.
So,
Oh, you on the Mopar side?
nigga, I'm CTSV, nigga. Cadillac.
Type shit.
No, he a Mopar at heart. That's why. I thought it
Oh,
because niggas outside. That shit sound nice. So what the fuck? Look at this nigga trying to kick niggas out. Stop it. Yo, why you you don't even know that shit?
Like, come on, bro, that shit is hard.
Now that helmet is hard.
When I see some shit I never seen,
Nah,
I get
yeah.
to recording.
Nah, that shit hard as shit
I
though.
ain't gonna lie. What is it? Honey,
Georgia Beauty.
That color is hard.
Hey, twin.
God damn. Oh, twin, that shit bad. That shit bad. That shit bad. That nigga got somebody.
Hey, this is tough as fuck. Look at this. Look at the color on this bitch, bro.
Oh shit, that niggas. No. I don't know, but that nigga got pulled.
This boy's going to get somebody. God damn.
Nah, they break over. That's what it is.
God, bro.
I was even this deep here.
What?
I
12?
need to take y'all ass and find some real crime, nigga. Niggas is parked up.
Niggas, no God, bro. Like, this niggas out
God
here
is,
killing
man.
niggas.
Nah, this nigga shit.
Wipe the kids with them uptown.
Nah, that shit nasty.
She don't know how to do that shit. Wipe the kids with them. He said, yeah.
Alright, bruh. These niggas posted. But that's the end of this fucking video, man. Niggas still outside, but like, comment, subscribe, bitch ass niggas.